Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you create a Fiverr account. So firstly, log into fiverr.com. So once I've logged into Fiverr account, go to fiverr.com. All you have to do is click on that join on your top right. So here it's going to ask you various options on how do you want to sign in. So what you can do is you can sign in with your Google account or your Gmail account, with your Facebook, or if you don't want, you can always type your email address so that you want to create the account with. Right, on continue, and it's going to ask you to choose for a username and a password. So choose a username. Right, just choose something that's not been taken. So choose something. All right, and then click on join. All right, okay, so there you go. So now you have already created your account. So what you have to do now is now that your account has been created, all you have to do is you need to go to your email address that you just entered, and Fiverr would have sent you a link to verify your email. So what you have to do is go to your email address and then open it. And once you open it, let me open mine. Just 1 second. All right, so go to your email. So I've got it to mine. So what you have to do is you would have received an email from Fiverr saying activate with the link to activate your account. So all you have to do is click on that link, and then that will activate your account. And that's what it is. Your account has been created now. And you can, if you want, you can go and edit your account with you can edit and personalize your account. And yep, hope this video is helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.